Okay, welcome back to the WordPress website designing session. So, hope you are ready with your content, website content. So, let's design the website. So, we already know we need 4 points to design a website. We are already ready with the domain, free domain. We already have the hosting provided by the WordPress free website. And the third one is a theme. So we need to do the interior designing first in your website. For example, in real world, whenever you want to start a business, after registering the name, after taking the space, the first thing you do is you do the interior designing, interior part. After completing the interior part, then only you will start the business. Okay, you will put your tables, chairs, and your products and everything. So let's start with the interior designing of the website. That is the theme. So click on appearance. Okay, so it click on portfolio. We are going to select the portfolio website, and we are going to select the free portfolio website. So these are all the free themes. You can select any free theme and you can work on this. But in my previous session, I already work with few free themes which are not shown here. I don't know why WordPress is not showing that theme here. Let me show you the names of the themes. This theme name is Indice, and this theme name is Fear, and another theme name is Myco, Pomi. So like that, the designer will give a name to that theme. So I have already collected few themes, names of few themes. I will show you. Better you go with that themes and do experiments in your website. The Rebalance, Startford, Illustra, Argent, Lodi Star. So whatever the themes, I like these themes for the free website. So you take one theme and work with that. So for example, I want to check this theme, Rebalance. Copy and come back to the WordPress website and search for the theme here. Okay. Yeah. So I have selected portfolio. So it didn't pop up actually. So now when I clicked on all, so when I search for this one is a free. So that theme is still available, but it was not displaying earlier, right? So please note down what all the themes I have shown here. These themes, and work with themes. So these themes only, you will get a very nice clear layout of your website. Okay, so now I'm going to select this theme, click on that theme. Okay, and before going to your theme, your work on this theme, you can see the promo or preview of this site also. Just click on preview. Okay, then you can see the preview of this site. Okay, the site will look like this. If you want, you can work with other themes also. Okay, and click on close. Okay, before working on this theme, you need to activate, then only it will be installed in your website. It will be linked with your website, whatever it may be. Click on activate. Okay, now you should start customizing this website. From here also you can customize your website, or from here also under the appearance you will see all these features, right? Themes, patterns, customize, widgets, menus, background, header, and everything. Here one important point. Now WordPress will give you many themes. It is showing many themes, right? So whenever you select any theme for your convenience, so check if this customize option and main thing is menus option is available or not. Then only can be able to work on that with that theme very easily, and you will get the clear layout of your website. Or else the remaining themes also you can create the menus, but it will be little complicated and difficult and confusing. So what are the theme you are going to download? Check if these option menus, main thing is check for the menus. That is for you. Forget about the customized widgets or anything. Just check if that menus are available under appearance or not. If you didn't see that menu, go for the next theme. Anyhow, we will, after designing, we will change the entire theme and I will show you. Okay, so now you are going to customize. From here also you can click on customize, or from here also you can customize. Okay, click on customize. Yeah, click on customize. Okay, again it is showing here only. Okay. Okay, so this is the these you need to set up all these things to get a beautiful look, front end look of your website. Let us check one by one. First one is a site identity. Okay, what exactly is a site identity? What we are going to upload in this, right? So every business will have a logo, right? So we are going to learn Canva also. At that time, I'm going to show you how you can design a logo using Canva. Okay, Canva is a very beautiful designer app, free designer app, and you can do wonders using that one, right? So I have already created my logo readily available with me. I will upload that one and show it to you. Okay, so here you can select logo and upload that logo, or else here one more option, create logo in minutes. If you click on this, Gaia, yeah, unnecessarily you're wasting the time, because once you click this, it will make you to design your logo and in 4 to 5 steps. I think, I don't remember, 4 to 5 steps. After you design a beautiful logo, it will ask you to pay to download that video, to download that logo. So unnecessary wastage of waste of time. So first, be ready with the logo using Canva. Anyway, I'm going to show that one. Once you're ready with totally free, Canva is totally free. Yeah, with the paid option, you can have more features, but you can create a beautiful logo using free features. So, and next one is site title, and next one is tagline. And whether you are going to display site title and tagline, that is your wish, and site icon and default footer credit. Okay, we are going to upload all these things. Site identity, logo, select logo. Okay, so already I have the logo. I'm going to upload that one. Select logo. Okay, so downloads. Okay, before starting class itself only I have downloaded this logo. Okay, this logo. To create this logo, for me it took 1 year. Previously I created one more logo which shows like a shopping cart, that we will pull that cart now, so that one with all social media icons, that I used that logo for 6 months, and then I created, finally I land up on this logo. I like this logo. So you won't see in my logo, you won't see these flag colors, that during the Independence Day I added that flag colors. My logo is JJ, and I believe in women empowerment. So J is Jyotirmahi, and another J is Chandyam, and red dot is indicates woman empowerment. Okay, or woman power, whatever it may be. So I have uploaded this logo. Okay, and next, alt text. Alt text means you are going to learn this alt text and title, caption, description, everything at the time of SEO module. Okay, when I explain you about the SEO module, if I tell everything now, there won't be nothing, there won't be anything to explain for you in the SEO chapter, right? So generally I used to explain this only, but we have another chapter, so I will explain you all those things at the time. Now, as of now, just upload your logo and click on select. Okay, so this is the logo. So Jyotirmay Jendam, digital marketing specialist, and crop and crop image. Okay, so this is the logo. So have you seen here, the your logo has been uploaded in that, wherever the placement is there for the logo. So every theme will be different, guys. Okay, in this theme, the designer has given the place for the logo in the top left corner. Maybe in some themes, the designer may give the place for the logo, maybe right, top right corner, or I have seen in some designs, they gave the place here in the middle, top and middle the top middle place, they have given the place for logo. So as per the theme, it totally depends on the theme, because we are not programming anything. We don't know Java, HTML or anything. This is just only template. So now you can't drag this logo to here, that you can't do. This is only template. Okay, so whatever the designer has decided the place for the logo, there only you can upload, right? And next one is site title. So as I already told you, that you should be ready with the content by this time. If I'm not wrong, you are ready with and content for all the pages. I'm ready with my content. Let me show you. This is the content. I took the help of the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has given the beautiful layout. This is the home page. So heading, I am Jyotirmayi. Subheading, digital marketing trainer, 15 plus years of experience, based in Hyderabad. So short intro text. So something, okay. So about me section or everything it gives. So using this, I'm going to add the content here. Site title, okay, I can take whatever the chat gpt gave to me, that also I can give, or simply I can write site title with my name. Okay, I will give my name as a site title, you can give your name as site title. Or about you means like digital marketer from Hyderabad, or digital marketer from Delhi, digital marketing from Odisha, whatever you want you can give site title. But portfolio websites I prefer names only. Okay, Jyotirmayi Janyam is a site title. So clearly, whatever I'm making changes here, clearly it is showing on the website. Next, tagline. Tagline, as we already discussed nowadays, whatever the movie releases along with the movie name, it's a fashion to give some punchline for that movie, right? The same way we are not we are going to give some punchline about our profile. Okay, so maybe you can give funny punchline, but now I want to mention it as Jyotirmay Jadam means who? Digital marketing expert from Hyderabad. Trainer or trainer. Okay. So this is the tagline. And next one is site icon. What is a site icon? Okay. Site icon means this is the logo. For example, I open a Google page and I will show you. Okay. So here I have opened the Google page. Okay. This is the Google logo. When you open here, can you see the small icon above the address bar in the page? So that itself is called the logo. If you open Facebook, okay, here, oh, okay, this is my Hyderabad Times page. Okay, so here the F already, this is the Facebook page, and top above the address bar, you will see the small icon that is called the site icon. Okay, so generally people will upload their logo as a site icon, and few influencers website I have seen, they have uploaded their face photo, their photo as a site icon. Your wish, whatever you want to upload, you can upload that image as a site icon. Now I am going to upload my logo only as a site icon. This only, already I have uploaded, so I am using the same image. Or else if you don't want to use this one another image, then you need to upload another image. Select. See, so now it will take some time to display the icon on the website. So this is the site icon. See, this is a site icon and the title. So it will display there, but it will take, because it's a free site, even in the paid site immediately sometimes it won't appear, it will take some time. Okay, and next one is a default credit. Default credit is footer of the website, we need to give some credits. Okay, because this is the free website, we don't have option to type our own credits, like this site belongs to Jyotirmayi, or this site belongs to Arunji. So whatever it be, that we don't have that option. Okay, so here, yeah, website build with WordPress.com, or if you change the footer, uh, just icon, WordPress logo, okay, or a WordPress.com website, a WordPress.com website, another footer. Start a blog with start a blog at WordPress.com. Website powered by WordPress. Website built by WordPress.com, and start a store on WordPress.com. Okay, let's see default thing. Create a free website. Okay, I don't like this, so I will just select a logo, WordPress.com logo. Okay, that is my footer. So this is the first option. So now you have in the site identity, you have selected all these things, and once you have selected and typed or uploaded all these things, just don't go back like that only. This is must and should. You need to click on the save changes, then only these things will be saved on the website, or else again it will go and again you need to type everything. Let's go back, and where each topic we will see all these things. And now let me check how our website looks. Just go back. Okay, go to my home. Okay, view site. Okay, this is a site. See, we have uploaded the logo, we have given the title, and we have given the tagline. Okay, and here it should come the site icon, but now it is not working. It didn't display it, but for sure it will display. It will take some time. So for this topic, this is enough. And next video, we will discuss about colors. That's what it. Okay. In this video, we have discussed about site identity. In next video, we will discuss about colors and backgrounds and fonts. Okay. Thank you. Do all these things for your website and open the next video.